Morocco. Hundreds, if not thousands, of shades of blue, and turquoise characterize this Moroccan town in the north of the country, where the Rif Mountains almost closely approach the Mediterranean Sea. And the colors of blue are painted houses, sidewalks, steps, flower pots, and doors. Cleanliness, well-being, and abundance of cheerful colors, small size, and friendliness of the local population favorably distinguish Chefchaouen from many other cities in Morocco. It is rightly called the Blue City and the most beautiful in many travel guides to the country.